Setting up Applictus takes about 2 minutes. Let's walk through it. First, choose your own custom Applictus inbox address. Now open Gmail. Click the gear icon in the top right and click See All Settings. Go to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. Click Add a Forwarding Address and paste your Applictus inbox address. Gmail will send a confirmation email to your Applictus inbox. Go back to Applictus and click Open Verification Link. Confirm it to enable forwarding. Then, back in Gmail settings, refresh the page and make sure forwarding is turned on. Select Forward a copy of incoming mail to your Applictus inbox address and keep Gmail's copy in the inbox. Save the changes. Next, go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab in Gmail settings and create a filter so only job-related emails get forwarded. Here's where you find the filters. We recommend using the All Job Updates filter. Just copy it from Applictus and paste it into Gmail in the Has the Words field. Click Create Filter and select Forward it to and choose your Applictus inbox address. Finally, click Verify Setup on Applictus to confirm everything is working. And that's it. Applictus will now track your job search automatically.